Hey everyone, it's G here, Gayon here in California. Welcome. So today I'll be making paleo cloud bread. So they're gonna be small little. They look like little buns you can use for your, sandwiches, making your burgers. But of course, it's low carb, a much better, healthier version of bread that you can use for sandwiches. They're gonna kind of look like little small little pita breads. Anyway, so the paleo cloud bread with only 3 ingredients. Okay, so that's what we're gonna make today. Excited about this. So I'll be back on shortly and show you guys the ingredients and how to get this all wonderful bread together. We're making paleo cloud bread with only 3 ingredients needed. Hey guys, so here's the ingredients for the paleo cloud bread that I'm talking about. So ingredients you need is 3 eggs separated. So this bowl here has the 3 egg yolks. This bowl here is just the egg whites. So you're gonna separate 3 eggs. Okay, you're gonna need some baking soda and mayonnaise. Now I'm using the paleo version mayonnaise. Hopefully you guys are using paleo mayonnaise. That could be mayonnaise made with avocado oil, or you may say olive oil mayo. So I'm using that's it. It's gonna be the mayo, the baking soda, and the 3 eggs separated. So I'll be back in a second. Oh, and you need a baking sheet with that's coated, with the parchment paper. And while you're putting this together, the dough together, make sure you preheat your oven to 300 degrees. So I already have my oven preheated to 300 degrees while you're making your while you're getting the. Okay, now it's time to put everything together. So we have in one bowl here. So we have the egg whites. So we combine a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So make sure you see I have my little measuring spoon here, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So I put the baking soda in there. You can take a hand mixer. I got my hand mixer here. We're going to mix the egg white with the baking soda. And then your other bowl here, you have your 3 egg yolks and 3 tablespoons of the paleo mayonnaise. So 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You're going to put that with the egg whites. You're going to mix that in that bowl. And here we're going to use a hand mixer, and we're going to mix the egg whites and with the baking soda. So I'm not going to video while I'm mixing because the mixture is loud. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the egg whites with the baking soda and back in a sec, okay? And we're going to combine this all together to make the dough for. Hey everyone, I'm back. So here's the egg whites with the baking soda. I use a hand mixer that's already. Now is to mix the 3 tablespoons of mayo with the egg yolk. So we're going to mix this together in this bowl. Combine this. And then after this is all mixed together, we're going to combine the egg whites, and we're going to fold it in here and put it all into, this will be the dough for the cloud bread that we're making. So again, this is a very simple recipe, only 3 ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this. Then next I'll be back in a second to show you guys how you're going to fold in the egg white mixture into the egg yolk mixture. Combine it all together to make the dough for the. Okay, so now it's time to combine the egg white. We'll mix the baking soda into the egg yolks with the mayonnaise. So I'm going to go step by step here. So take a little at a time. See how the egg whites are. Love it. I love fluffy egg whites. So we're just going to gradually mix it in and fold with the egg yolks. So I'm doing a little at a time. So I'm mixing that in with the egg yolk mixture. Get a little bit more. So you get the idea. So you're going to continue to do this mix. Continue to combine the egg white mixture with the egg yolk mixture and combine it all together, because this is going to be the dough for the bread. So get it all. So I'm going to continue working on this, mixing all the egg whites into here. Get it all done. I'll be back in a sec to show you the final when it's all mixed together, and then we're going to get it on the bake. Okay everyone, so the dough is ready. So what you need here, you need a 1/3 cup. This is a 1/3 cup tool to use to scoop it up and transfer it into the baking sheet. So let's start transferring. So we're going to take a 1/3 scoop of the batter, and we are going to transfer it onto the baking sheet. Just pour a little on like that. Okay. And there we go. And then so you're gonna go ahead and continue to spread this on the baking sheet. Make sure you put enough space between them so when they're baking they don't stick together. So we're gonna do that. And just so you know, depending on how much batter we have here, you may need 2 baking sheets instead of just 1. So just so you know. Oh, sorry. So we have another going here. It may not be perfectly round, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get another scoop, make another dough here. Let me see if I can fit 6. Okay, I have 4. Try to make 6 on this sheet here. Put this here at the end. So you just want to make sure you leave some space between so that they have space to bake. Okay, get another 1/3 and put that there. This is not gonna be perfectly round, but that's okay. Anyway, so you get the picture. So that's it. So I'm gonna take this 3 and put it in the preheated. The oven is already heated at 300 degrees, and you bake. I think you bake for, I believe it's 15 minutes, but I'll come back with you guys and show you once I put it in the oven back in a sec. So these I'm gonna go and bake. So yes, you're gonna bake on 300 degrees for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna bake these first batch, and I have another baking sheet. So when these are done, I'll put the other baking sheet in and bake the other batch for 30 minutes. So I'll be back in 30 minutes to show you what the final. Okay, here we go, guys. The Paleo cloud bread is ready. Awesome sauce, very quick and easy. Make sure you guys try it out. Let me know what you think. I would really appreciate it. Comment. Let me know how you liked it. And that's it, guys. That's the wrap. So have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.